I'm Lindsay with the Dust Bunnies, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your sink and deodorize it. So first of all, you want to start with a generic multi-purpose cleaner. You can use something like the Barkeeper's Friend or a simple Ajax, or you can just use a multi-purpose cleaner. And we're just going to use the multi-purpose cleaner today. First thing you want to do is spray it down. And just give it a good scrub all the way around. Get those rust spots out, that old dried food, and then just give it a rinse. When you're done with that, you want to just give it a nice polish so that it looks good. We're going to use N-Dust because it works great. Now, most dusting cleaners won't work, but N-Dust is excellent. If you don't have N-Dust at the house, try Windex. And then we're just going to give... And now we're just going to polish. We're going to get the fixture really good. Nice and clean. Now you can kind of see what we've done there with the N-Dust and the cleaning. I'm going to save the garbage disposal for last. Now what I've got for the garbage disposal is ice and orange peels, and you can use lemon peels too. The ice kind of cleans the blades of the garbage disposal, while the orange peels or the lemon peels would deodorize it. And I'm just going to kind of start sticking those down in there. Throw a little water on with it. And there, now we've cleaned and deodorized our sink. Thanks, Lindsay with the Dust Bunnies.